Buona giornata. Good day. Let's go to Città dell'Amore, or the City of Love, Verona, one of the most popular and visited city in Italy, because it is the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. It is a 1-hour bus ride from Milan at nagsimula ang tour namin sa castle. Lakad-lakad at maraming lakad ang ginawa namin dito. Maganda naman. Good exercise pa rin. It is a very old city that was established by the Romans thousands of years ago. Pinupuntahan po dito yung libingan ng mga Italian founders ng city. Ito po sila. Pero ang pinaka-popular na destinasyon dito ay ang bahay ni Juliet. Ito yung courtyard niyang maliit at meron siyang statwa ayun nasa likod. Ang sabi nila, lahat ng pumupunta dito kailangan humawak sa dibdib ni Juliet at magiging maswerte daw sila sa pag-ibig. And our last stop is the Roman Arena. Mas matanda pa ito sa Colosseum ng Rome. It was established some 400 AD. Follow for more!